Boom. Boom. So look, y'all, I found this little fucking doohickey. It's a fucking air purifier. And I was so excited to use it on the fucking airplane, okay? And guess what? It's about done. My flight was supposed to leave at 3:15. I changed flights because that shit wasn't going nowhere. And now it's 7:36. I still didn't fucking go nowhere. My doohickey didn't go nowhere but around my fucking neck, and it's been being used. I lost money today. Yep, sure did. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to sign this contract. My bad, Hector. Hector mad at me. I'm fucking mad at me. The fuck are y'all doing? Night at Airlines. I'm so fucking mad. I had fucking 2 glasses of wine already and the shit ain't doing nothing. I need a third one. Alright. I'm back. Jesus, take the wheel.